Well, with what we did in the last video, we adjusted the shape of the fingers. It still needs to be detailed. We need to make some wrinkles, some marks, but we'll do it after we combine all pieces. What we're going to do now is to connect the hand with the fingers in a better way. They are still looking unstuck, very independent, and we need to put them together so they look better. We're going to move this finger up to get a better curve. Here we have to move between subtools. As we don't have them in the same piece, it's going to be a bit harder to connect certain areas. Let's work on the thumb. We'll have to rotate it a bit more. It's better now. Let's make it wider. Mostly in this area. And let's try to curve it very slightly. What we're going to do is to generate a kind of sketch of the leftover skin, so to say, that is here between the thumb and the index fingers. As we can see, there is a kind of strip that we'll have to make. Let's go subdivision up. Okay, so when I said that we'd be making a sketch, is because part of this piece of skin is also over the thumb. But as we have them as independent elements, it's going to be a bit harder to make them match. So for the moment, let's leave them sketched. Also, we're doing a little cleft right here. Let's adjust with the move brush. It's too deep. We're doing these lines more visible right here. This one. And this one. Let's add more volume right here. The more uniform they look, the better. So when we combine them, we are not going to have much trouble adjusting certain areas. Well, let's select the clay brush to make the tendons and the knuckles. We'll have to adjust them in a diagonal. They're not straight. Two left? No, three left, sorry. Well, let's adjust this area here. It shouldn't look like this. They are a little more straight. Once again the clay brush for reducing volume here between the tendons and to make these cavities more visible. Well, here there is a kind of hole, very mild. Okay, let's work with move again to adjust what's left. Let's reduce a bit more volume here. Okay, it looks better now. Here we are going to make another kind of triangle just behind the thumb tendon, and we adjust with move. Well, we have to make some space right here. Those two lines are too close. Finally, and to end this video, we'll adjust some areas that look too flat. And we'll make a better connection between the fingers. so the base of the finger looks wider. Okay, let's give some space here between the fingers so they don't get mixed up later. Let's see how it looks. Well, it's getting much better. It matches better with the size of the arm. We don't have those weird lumps anymore. Well, I hope you liked this video. In the next, we are going to give a better detail to the head. Finally, we got to this point. I'm not going to feel bad anymore when looking at this weird head. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one.